Discovering the Golden Essence of Olive Oil, a summer adventure at Princeton. Imagine this, a gathering where eager students come together to delve into the secrets of an ingredient that has been revered for ages. This isn't just any culinary experience. It's a vibrant exploration centered around olive oil, an essential part of the renowned Mediterranean diet, famously praised for its health benefits. On June 25th, the Summer Research and Learning Village at Princeton University organized an engaging event that invited students to experience the rich flavors and numerous uses of olive oil. Attendees indulged in olive oil cake, sampled extra virgin olive oil, and learned how to create a refreshing Greek salad drizzled with a homemade olive oil vinaigrette. A flavorful evening with olive oil enthusiasts. Under the expert guidance of Princeton alum Lisa Radinovsky, who graduated in 1990, students savored a delightful fudge cake infused with clementine-flavored olive oil from Laconico, a Greek olive oil producer based in Virginia. This dish served as a sweet introduction to the versatility of olive oil in baking, surprising many with its delightful flavor. Radinovsky, editor for Greek Liquid Gold, led a fascinating presentation showcasing stunning photographs from her decade-long journey in Greece, where she has been documenting and learning about this liquid gold. Her insights included the myriad health benefits that extra virgin olive oil offers for both human well-being and the planet, the significance of olive oil in Greek culture, emphasizing that the average Greek consumes around 12 liters annually compared to just 1 liter in the USA. The historical and mythological importance of olive oil in ancient Greece, linking it to everything from mythology to athleticism. The intricate process of olive oil production, whether through traditional methods or modern technology. Unique flavor profiles of extra virgin olive oils, explaining what distinguishes virgin from extra virgin categories. Over a dozen culinary applications for olive oil in various dishes. Tips for selecting and properly storing olive oil. A remarkable 3,000 to 5,000-year-old olive tree found in Crete, highlighting the rich history of this beloved ingredient. Techniques on how to appreciate olive oil's flavor, akin to wine tasting, as practiced by professionals. Taste testing. A journey through flavors. The highlight of the evening was an olive oil tasting session where students sampled 3 distinctive extra virgin olive oils, each from various origins. Campus dining proudly featured Colavita's extra virgin olive oil, a mild blend, while students also enjoyed 2 robust early harvest Greek EVOOs. Laconico's olive oil, made from Koroneiki olives grown in Laconia, and Yanni's Olive Grove's finest, crafted from Chondroilia chalkidiki olives, both presented enticing aromas reminiscent of fresh grass and herbs. Students noticed a pleasant peppery zing, a telltale sign of its numerous health benefits. Creating together in the kitchen. Following the tasting, the culinary adventure continued as students collaborated to prepare a traditional Greek salad alongside a homemade vinaigrette dressing. Chef Michael Gaddis, Culinary Associate Director at Princeton University Campus Dining, guided them through essential techniques for crafting their salads. The experience became interactive as students chopped, mixed, and adjusted their seasonings, discovering how different combinations yielded unique flavor profiles in their creations. After enjoying their salads, each participant left the event not only with slices of the delicious cake and recipes, but also with newfound knowledge about the extensive uses and benefits of olive oil. This education-filled event was supported by dedicated university staff and alumni, offering an opportunity for learning that transcends the typical classroom setting. While no endorsement or promotion by Princeton University is implied here, the experience certainly left an impression on those who attended. For those who wish to dive deeper into the world of olive oil, including recipes, insights from Greece, and the latest news in olive oil, feel free to visit Greek Liquid Gold. And speaking of olive oil, what do you think about its place in modern diets? Do you believe it deserves the liquid gold title? Let's get the conversation going in the comments.